What is going on, guys? Thanks for joining my channel, Robinhood. This is Bob. Today's video, guys, I'm going to go over what I did with the rest of my AMC shares, and also, guys, give you kind of a sneak peek update on what I plan on doing moving forwards. It is going to be a lot of changes, so let's get started. So today is Thursday, guys. I usually do my follow-up videos on Friday, but I actually do have to work this Friday, and I don't think I'll be able to fit this video in. I already did all the changes I was earlier going to do with AMC, so there's nothing really new to report. I had 250 shares left. I originally started with 2,550 shares. I sold almost all of it except for 250 shares until Monday. I wanted to see what the earnings was going to be like. So just to show you what I did on Monday, I sold the shares, just 50 shares at a time at different types of prices here. So you look here on the 8th, I sold 50 shares at 43.50. I sold 50 more shares at 44, and then I waited a little bit after market, and then it shot up to about 45, so I sold 50, and it jumped all the way to 46. I believe it almost got to 47. I sold 50 more shares, and then it hit kind of a peak and resistance, and it started to shoot down, I think as low as 44. It bounced back up to 45, so I sold 50 more shares, and that was the last of the shares that I've had at 45.25. So let me just show you my spreadsheet here. It'll kind of give you a breakdown of everything when I sold it. So if you look here, last week I sold 250 shares at certain increments. Then I sold 100, 200, 250, and then I sold my 50, 50, 50 on Monday. So if you look here, it shows you how many shares I sold at a certain price, and then a profit of the difference of the price that I bought it for. My average cost was $36.69. So in about 2 weeks, just on the stock side, I made $11,150.50. On the option side, I made $2,198. If you add this together, it came up to $13,348.50. So I'm very happy with this 2-week turnaround here with AMC, and I'm kind of glad I sold when I did, because obviously AMC I think went back down to 37, 38. I believe it's almost at 40 right now. I do plan on to buy a little bit more AMC maybe in the future. But if you look here, about 5 months ago, I started buying Tesla, about 100 shares at an average cost of $588, and I did end up selling it to make this AMC play. So I did make $44,000 off of Tesla in about 5 months, and I did make about $2,400 on the option side with Tesla for the 5 months as well. So about $46,000. So I did tell you guys I am going on to my next strategy. If you watch my video 6 months ago, the reason I went to the Tesla play, I pulled out most of my money, used the profits to buy Tesla. I did use some margin calls as well, and I wanted to go with this play, and reason being because I thought the market would start to go down. With the talks of inflation and everything now, I kind of am still looking towards that scenario that the stocks possibly can go down, but I'd still want to stay in the game. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the profits that I made from Tesla, the 46,000 and the 13,000. I'll probably put around $60,000 into the stock and take the rest of the money out for now. And I plan on having about 50 different stocks, kind of going back to what I started with about a year and a half ago, kind of trying to balance it out. I am actually going to switch from Robinhood to M1 Finance. I'll go over the reasons for that, just because I plan on trading these, buying these stocks and just holding them. I don't really want to do any option calls at this moment, and M1 Finance doesn't really let you do that. It's kind of a hands-off type of stock to hold. But I'll go over all that when I do make the change. I did actually already submit everything to transfer everything from Robinhood to M1. Like I said, I plan on maybe having 60,000. It might be about 70,000, depending on the stocks I want to pick. Like I said, it's going to be at least 50 stocks that I'll have. And when I do make that trade, I'll go over them with you on stocks I plan on holding long term, and there's other stocks that I will plan on holding a pretty good amount of time, but I will have certain price where I would probably sell out of it if I believe that it's hit its kind of peak, or if I need to rebalance my portfolio. So thank you guys for watching. Like I said, there's going to be a lot of changes coming up. Hopefully by next week, everything will be changed over and I'll have all of the stocks set up. So definitely keep a watch out for that. Let me know what you guys think. Please definitely hit the like and don't forget to comment below. Thank you.